In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and manage the free Download Manager extension in Brave. We'll go from opening the browser to making the extension easy to access with a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. Start by launching your Brave browser on your computer. If you already have Brave open, make sure you're on a regular window, not a private one, so the extension can install correctly. Next, head to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for it from your address bar or go directly to the Web Store page if you know the link. Brave is built on the same engine as Chrome, which means it can use Chrome extensions without a problem. Once you're in the store, use the search bar at the top to look for free Download Manager or simply type FDM. You're looking for the official extension that integrates with the desktop free Download Manager app to capture and organize downloads. Check the listing details and icons so you know you've got the right one. Click the extension in the search results to open its details page. You'll see a button that may say Add to Chrome. Don't worry if it doesn't explicitly say Brave. Brave handles Chrome Web Store extensions just fine, so this is the correct button to use. Click it to proceed. A permissions pop-up will appear. Take a moment to read what the extension needs access to so you understand how it will work with your downloads. When you're ready, click Add Extension to confirm. Brave will download and install it, and you should see a brief confirmation in the top right corner. After installation, make it easy to find. Click the puzzle piece icon near the top right of Brave to open your extensions list. Locate free Download Manager in that list and click the pin icon so it appears on your toolbar. Pinning saves you a couple of clicks whenever you want to use it. If you prefer managing extensions from a full page, type Brave/extensions into the address bar. From there, you can toggle the extension on or off, view details, and adjust options as needed. That's it. You've launched Brave, visited the Chrome Web Store, found the FDM extension, added it to Brave, confirmed permissions, and pinned or managed it for quick access. If the Add button is unavailable or something looks off, make sure Brave is up to date and try again. Enjoy faster, more organized downloads with free Download Manager in Brave.